Daddy, this is exciting! We're gonna create our own brain rot! Are you ready to generate numbers? Let's see how much our baby is worth! Three beautiful digits! I'm a proud father!
It is mine! I'll finally finish you off! Let's get out of here, little one! All that money is mine now!
Yoink!
Huh?
Are you sure?
Don't think I'll let you go that easy!
That's not enough to stop me! You...
I'll be back!
Who should I pick? Oh, that one looks so pretty in my face! Let's go! Ah.
You go away! Haha! It was the missing piece to create the perfect fusion brain rot. With this, I'll surpass Trollolero. Oh, that's almost 1 million! Come here, cutie. You look perfect right here. Now let me activate the protection. This way, no one will be able to steal you.
She's so easy to fool. You're coming with me. Here. With it, I'll be rich.
What do you think you're doing?
Bugs under your skin.
Lost for you. When you wake up, just remember, friend.